So you're looking to make more sales with affiliate marketing, then you're going to want to stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you one way that not a lot of people are using that you're going to be able to generate more traffic to your affiliate link. All right. So here we go. What I'm a real firm believer in is social media. Okay, so social media, because everybody is connected. You have to think about it. Everybody has a cell phone, whether you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or all of the above. Everybody is connected through social media. Okay, so I'm going to be very, vague and not too in depth, because this video is not about showing you how to set up, how to pick a product or which product is the best to promote. It's not about that. It's about getting more sales in affiliate marketing. So I'm going to assume that you already have an affiliate link, you're already promoting a product, right? And you're just not making sales. So for me, the best way for you to start off making sales would be to take to Instagram. Okay, everybody is on Instagram, and it's probably one of the biggest social platforms that we have, but not just creating an Instagram page that's your own personal page. You want to build that Instagram page around the audience that you're targeting. So I'm going to use just a general niche topic here. Golf, how to improve my drive, versus putting or whatever. So what I would do is, on your Instagram account, I would obviously include your affiliate link or your personal domain that you're forwarding to your affiliate link in your bio. I would include a great description like, learn how I'm going to be teaching you different ways to improve your golf swing and your golf stroke, or whatever it is that you're promoting, right? But here's the thing. Most of you, when you get an affiliate link and when you start doing affiliate marketing, you get your link, you're happy, you think you're going to make sales, you just start plugging it in everywhere. When in all reality, no one's going to buy from your affiliate link, because they just randomly came across this random link and they say, hey, I'm going to buy this product from this link. Okay, it doesn't work that way. What you need to do is build an audience, build a following. You want to build yourself as an expert in that field. So whether that means that you're making daily videos talking about ways to improve your golf swing, like tutorials, whether you are doing writing articles and then translating them into a video, whether you are doing blog posts or whatever, and then reposting those blog posts onto your Instagram and your social media accounts, you need to be building your audience, building your following. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take it back a step again. You've got your product that you're selling. You have your affiliate link. You've created your Instagram based around that topic, and now you're going to start building an audience by offering content and by offering value to those people that you want to sell to for your particular niche, for your particular topic. And one way that you're going to do that is, you're not just going to go and start following a bunch of people that don't have nothing that they want to learn about your niche or your topic. Okay, you're going to want to go to some of the top pages on Instagram, some of the top influencers on Instagram. You're going to want to go through their following, make sure they don't have any fake spam bot accounts that are just, they bot and just flooding, but real actual people. So here's the one key that I would do to get people and traffic back to your Instagram, which is going to lead to traffic back to your affiliate marketing link. I would go to okay, golf swing, how to improve my golf swing. I would look up that hashtag on Instagram, then I would go to the top post, something that's got thousands of views, maybe 100 comments, 500 comments, even 1,000 comments is better, and I would jump into those conversations. Okay, so if someone posted a video on this golf player or this golf swing or this golf outing, and they have a ton of engagement going on in their comment section, I would then go there and say, hey, this is what I have done and this is what's helped me. If you want to check out my Instagram, so forth and so forth. Okay, but not so much of a hard sell. You don't want to jump in someone's comments and say, hey, to improve your golf swing, go ahead and click my link, come back over. No, they're gonna automatically write you off as spam. So remember what I said earlier in this video. You want to deliver value. Okay, deliver value first before the sale. Okay, build that trust first, and then ask for the sale later. Okay, so go into those comment sections, look at it as the first day of school. Okay, this is what I tell people. Look at those comment sections under those people's posts as the first day of school. On the first day of school, you show up, you don't know anybody. You don't know anybody. So what you have to do is build relationships up. You have to make friends, right? Right. Okay, so go into those comment sections, start befriending these people, make yourself a presence in this niche, in this topic, and that's the quickest way to bring people to your Instagram. Once you bring them to your Instagram, that's where you're going to provide them a ton of value and a ton of just information on that topic, so that when they come to your page, they know, hey, Jane Smith knows a ton about cooking, a ton. You know, she's been doing this for a while. She knows everything that I need to know about cooking. I'm gonna follow her. Oh, what is she selling? She's selling a recipe book with 250 recipes. Let me check it out. That's the fastest way to make sales in affiliate marketing with social media, okay? But it's not gonna work if you don't get to work, okay? Nothing works. You can watch all the videos, you can read all the books in the world, but nothing's gonna work if you don't take action. So go back, re-watch this video again, and really listen and comprehend to what I'm saying. Take that and start to implement that in your business starting today.